Learn Hindi from English. Passive phrases with
कार की मरम्मत की गई।
and.
ईमेल भेजा गया।
Welcome to the chaos. Hey, you are about to learn useful Hindi through a very dramatic day where everything somehow got fixed, moved, paid, opened, or sent. Yes, this chapter is basically grammar wearing a comedy hat. Imagine this. You wake up, sip tea like a wise philosopher, and then life starts throwing updates at you like a hyperactive office intern. First, the mechanic smiles and says,
कार की मरम्मत की गई।
Great. The car survived. Then your calendar groans and announces.
मुलाकात स्थगित कर दी गई।
So the appointment has gone on vacation. At lunch, panic arrives with the check, but a hero appears.
बिल का भुगतान कर दिया गया।
Magnificent. Your wallet lives to fight another day. Later, you knock nervously, and suddenly.
दरवाज़ा खोला गया।
Not creepy at all. Finally, after staring at the send button for far too long, victory.
ईमेल भेजा गया।
You are now officially more productive than your past self. Your 5 power phrases. Let's make the core phrases feel easy in your mouth and clear in your mind. Repeat them like you mean business, even if you are still in pajamas. The car was repaired.
कार की मरम्मत की गई।
The appointment was postponed.
मुलाकात स्थगित कर दी गई।
The bill was paid.
बिल का भुगतान कर दिया गया।
The door was opened.
दरवाज़ा खोला गया।
The email was sent.
ईमेल भेजा गया।
Tiny scene, big memory. Now picture each phrase like a mini-movie. The sillier the image, the better your memory usually behaves. A mechanic wipes grease from his hands, poses like a movie star, and declares.
कार की मरम्मत की गई।
A serious receptionist stamps a calendar with absurd drama and says.
मुलाकात स्थगित कर दी गई।
A waiter appears from nowhere like a financial superhero and whispers.
बिल का भुगतान कर दिया गया।
In a mystery mansion, someone knocks, thunder rolls, and then.
दरवाज़ा खोला गया।
You click send with the bravery of an astronaut, and the screen glows.
ईमेल भेजा गया।
Quick breakdown. You do not need a full grammar lecture today, just a friendly flashlight on the pattern. We are keeping it useful, not terrifying. Notice how these Hindi sentences often focus on the result. Something was done. You hear pieces like.
किया गया। दी गई। खोला गया।
Or.
भेजा गया।
For example.
दरवाज़ा खोला गया।
Means the door was opened.
ईमेल भेजा गया।
Means the email was sent. And.
बिल का भुगतान कर दिया गया।
Gives that satisfying sense of completion, the kind your bank account may or may not enjoy. Dialogue at maximum inconvenience. Here comes a short dialogue. Listen for all 5 target phrases and enjoy how one poor person has an impressively chaotic day. A. How is your day going? B. Surprisingly educational. A. What happened first? B. The mechanic called and said.
कार की मरम्मत की गई।
A. Nice. Then what? B. Then the clinic called.
मुलाकात स्थगित कर दी गई।
A. Ouch. B. It gets better. At lunch, before I could pretend to look for my wallet.
बिल का भुगतान कर दिया गया।
A. A miracle. B. Later I knocked at my friend's place and.
दरवाज़ा खोला गया।
A. And the last victory? B. After 3 deep breaths and 1 pep talk to my laptop.
ईमेल भेजा गया।
A. So basically, nothing happened normally. B. Exactly. Repeat after me. Your turn now. Listen, pause, and repeat out loud. If your pronunciation feels weird, congratulations, that means you are practicing. Say.
कार की मरम्मत की गई।
Again.
कार की मरम्मत की गई।
Say.
मुलाकात स्थगित कर दी गई।
Again.
मुलाकात स्थगित कर दी गई।
Say.
बिल का भुगतान कर दिया गया.
Say.
दरवाजा खोला गया.
Say.
ईमेल भेजा गया.
Mini quiz without panic. Let's test your memory fast. No stress, no grades, no dramatic music. Okay, maybe a little dramatic music. How do you say, the car was repaired?
कार की मरम्मत की गई.
How do you say, the appointment was postponed?
मुलाकात स्थगित कर दी गई.
How do you say, the bill was paid?
बिल का भुगतान कर दिया गया.
How do you say, the door was opened?
दरवाजा खोला गया.
How do you say, the email was sent?
ईमेल भेजा गया.
Final challenge. Now do one last run through the whole set. You are stronger than your forgotten vocabulary from last week. Picture one crazy day and say the updates in order. First.
कार की मरम्मत की गई.
Next.
मुलाकात स्थगित कर दी गई.
Then.
बिल का भुगतान कर दिया गया.
After that.
दरवाजा खोला गया.
Finally.
ईमेल भेजा गया.
If you can say all five, you are not just learning Hindi. You are surviving a multilingual sitcom. Friendly goodbye. Nice work today. You learned real Hindi phrases that sound useful in daily life and deliciously official. Thank you for listening and practicing with me. Keep repeating these Hindi phrases during the day.
कार की मरम्मत की गई. मुलाकात स्थगित कर दी गई. बिल का भुगतान कर दिया गया. दरवाजा खोला गया.
And.
ईमेल भेजा गया.
Practice a little, laugh a little, and come back soon for more English to Hindi learning.